Forget everything you know about basic fries. Today we're turning them into a bubbly, golden, French-style masterpiece that's about to become your new favorite obsession.
We will cut 2 onions into julienne slices. Heat 2 cubes of butter and a drizzle of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the julienned onions and the 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sauté the onions until they become soft and take on a golden brown caramelized color. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. I like to add a little rosemary to enhance the flavor. Place half of the fried potatoes at the bottom of the dish. A layer of caramelized onions. Then we add the pastrami. Sprinkle half of the shredded cheddar and Parmesan cheese. Cover the middle layers with the remaining half of the fried potatoes. Pour the 350 milliliters of cooking cream evenly over the entire dish. Sprinkle the rest of the cheddar and Parmesan cheese over the top. Preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Serve hot as a main dish or a decadent side. And bon appétit!